Hey, what's up, guys? It is CardShuffler99 here, and today we are bringing you guys what you've all been waiting for. This is the CardShuffler99 subscriber contest. This is the very first contest, and this is episode 1 of that contest. Now, we only have 4 episodes for each subscriber contest, but keep in mind, once this first subscriber contest is over, we're actually going to come out with another one very soon after. Okay, so once this one contest ends, we will start another one. But once again, this is episode 1 of the subscriber contest. Once again, this is episode 1 of 4 episodes. So really quick, let's just take a look at the bracket. So yes, we only have 8 people in this bracket. We want to keep the contest a little bit shorter so we can start a few brackets as we go along. So we want to do more than just one subscriber contest, and we don't want it to drag on too long to the point where people are running out of ideas. If you have to do like 10 rounds, that's pretty difficult to come up with trick after trick. So really here, all you would have to do is really 3 videos, 3 tricks for each person who enters to win. Essentially, you'd really only need to create 3 of your best quality videos. Now, why do we only have 8 people? Now, a big part of the reason is we actually asked for a lot of people not to put music in their videos because we wanted to avoid copyright, but a lot of people actually still put music, which was really disappointing because a lot of people had some really good videos, but just because of the music, we couldn't put you in. Also, some people weren't really recording in the right orientation, so that was kind of a drawback there. We wanted to make sure that the videos looked pretty good if they were coming into this, so that's definitely something you guys want to think about. You definitely want to try to keep in the right orientation. And that was another thing also that we came across. We did ask you guys to send us a typed out explanation of your trick just to make sure you're not faking anything, and a lot of people did do that as well. I'm guessing maybe they just forgot about it or they just didn't see our videos, and they never actually sent us a response. So without further ado, let's get into it. Today we are going to show you guys 2 matchups. So between Ethan and Quade and Robbie and David. These are the first 2 matchups. Today, episode 2 will have these second 2 matchups. And in episode 2, we are going to then reveal the results from this episode. So once again, we're showing you the first 2 matchups today between Ethan and Quad and Robbie and David. And once again, the results will be announced in episode 2. But anyway, let's get into the very first performance.
My name is Ethan, and this is my entry video for CardShuffler99's subscriber contest, and I'll get right into the trick. So if I had a spectator here, I'd let them shuffle the deck. If they're not, so it really doesn't matter. So to start off, you have the spectator choose any card face up. It could be face down, but it doesn't really make a difference. In this case, let's just say they choose the Ace of Diamonds. Now, they could go ahead and sign the card, but for tutorial purposes, we'll just leave it like this. Now, we're going to do something weird or special. We're going to take some cards face up and some cards face down and shuffle them together, just like this, creating a little bit of a mess. Now, I'm going to give them a casino standard shuffle, which is 3 riffle shuffles, a strip shuffle, also known as a Hindu shuffle, another riffle shuffle, and a cut. And if a spectator was here, they could shuffle the deck, but they're not, so it doesn't matter. Now, we'll go ahead and take your card, could be signed, and we'll lose it into the middle of the deck, just like this. And you could just give it a bunch of different cuts. You could really do anything. Doesn't really matter. The whole point is that it's lost. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Some people think that since I'm a magician, while I shuffle the cards, I cheat a little bit, and that's fair to say. So what I do is I go through the deck, and I show them that there really are some cards face up, and that there really are some cards face down, and that there are no specific order whatsoever. There could be 10 face down cards and a few face up cards. There could be 1. It really doesn't matter, because the deck is shuffled. Now, you could go ahead and we're going to push these together, not all the way, just like that, right? And actually, you know what? We can go ahead and just give the deck a little bit of shuffle. But see, the thing is, it really doesn't matter how much we shuffle the deck, right? What really matters is that we have some cards face down, some cards face up, etc. Okay? Thing is, just a snap of the fingers and a little bit of a wave, you could spread through the deck And you'll notice that one card and one card only is face up, while all the other cards have returned face down. And that is their signed card, the Ace of Diamonds. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the trick.
Alright guys, so that was the very first matchup between two of our subscribers. You are going to see one more matchup in this video in a little bit. But first, we want you guys to vote. So now is your time to vote for the very first matchup, who you think had a better trick and performance. All you have to do to vote, you'll see a poll pop up right about now. It'll be in the top right-hand section of your screen. Just click on that. All you have to do is, from there, just click on the name that you think was best. Once again, we did type in the names on the actual performance, so you can go back to check that if you need to. Once again, the poll is going to pop up. Just click on that. The polls are going to stay up for 1 week. I repeat, 1 week after this video is posted. What we're going to do after a week is we're going to go on, we're going to check the polls, and we're actually going to take the polls down. We're not going to take the video down, but the polls will no longer be up after 1 week. So if you didn't get your votes in before 1 week is over, then you're not going to be able to vote, but you can definitely still watch. And what we're going to do is we'll announce the winners of these first two matchups in the second episode. So the second episode is going to come out in a week from today. Okay, guys? So anyway, once again, let's get into the next matchup.
Alright, so I'm going to do is I'm going to get the 4 aces. Just like that. And we're going to give the cards a cut for a while, for now. Okay, I'm going to put 3 random cards on each ace. Okay. Now we're going to put this ace and 3 random cards over here. I'm going to put the box on top. Okay. And we have here 3 random cards and an ace. I'm going to flip over the ace. Give it a flick. Now it changes. Okay. 3 random cards and an ace. Give the ace a flip. A flick. And it changes. Okay, here we have 3 random cards and an ace. We'll flip it over, flick it, now it changes. And if you actually look over here, we actually have all 4 aces in the deck.
Okay, I want you to think of any card on the deck.
10 of hearts.
10 of hearts, you sure?
Yep.
Okay, I want you to think of any number between 1 and 52.
21.
21, you sure? You can change your mind at all?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to deal down 21 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I think, yeah, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. On the 21st card, your 10 of hearts.
Alright guys, so that was the second matchup right there. So once again, you guys know the drill. You're going to see a poll pop up right now with the 2 names. All you have to do is go in, vote for the one you want. Once again, the polls will stay up on this video for 1 week after we post this video. Once again, if you guys want to see the results for the first 2 matchups which you saw today. We are going to have that in the next episode. So in episode 2, in the beginning of the video, we will show you the updated bracket. We'll show you who won from today's episode, and we'll also get into the second 2 matchups next time. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is CardShuffler99. Peace out.